Okay, now I'm in my own backyard, and yes, the birds are very upset. They're flying all over the place from tree to tree. Wow. Same noise as what I was hearing out front in the yard across from us. So same noise in our backyard. You can't see them. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really loud. They're all upset and they're all chirping, and they're all running from like tree to tree. Curious if anyone else is getting this. I live in the Midwest. I live in Illinois. As we all know, animals know things we don't. And they're definitely upset and know something. You know, they have senses that we don't have. Wow. Now they just all took off. Oh my God, look at that. That's crazy looking. They all swarmed together, and now they're over in the yard across from me, but there's still some over here. So just curious as to, what the birds are acting like in other people's, yards, because they're just upset and being all crazy all over the place. So here they come back over. Now they're flying all back over to my yard. I'm going to walk back here to the back corner of my yard. You might be able to hear it more over here. Wow. Yeah, you can really hear them over here. Hopefully you guys can hear this. Bunch of birds all over the place, being upset. It's like they're all, talking to each other. It'd be nice to know what they're saying. I don't know. They're upset all over the place. Getting ready to go in town, so of course, I don't know if I won't really be in anyone's neighborhood, just going to the stores. I'm going to keep my eyes out today, and please let me know what you guys think. How are the birds acting in you guys' yards? Let me know, 'cause this is weird. Alright, love you guys. Talk to you later.